Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the first step in the PMB registration workflow, registering of patients for PMB with smart sticker protocols and smart stickers. Adding the PMB smart sticker to a patient serves as a reminder that the patient qualifies for special benefits related to their chronic condition, ensuring access to vital medical care. Medical aids are legally obligated to cover specific medical conditions irrespective of the patient's coverage or plan. Please note that the PMB Smart Sticker can only be added to the patient once the Smart Sticker protocol setup is complete. For detailed information on the workflow setup, please refer the PMB Registration Workflow Setup Overview user manual linked in this video's description. There are 4 ways to add a PMB Condition Smart Sticker protocol to a patient. We will now dive into the first option, which is from the clinical case screen. To learn more about the clinical screen, please refer to the In the Clinical Case Screen Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click the sticker button on the clinical case sidebar, opening the Smart Protocol screen. Click on the Choose Protocol drop-down menu and select the PMB protocol. Click on the plus button to add the patient to the PMB protocol. The PMB protocol will now be added to the patient. Click on the Save button to keep the changes that have been made. The smart sticker will be added to the patient and displayed on the diary sidebar. For more information regarding adding a smart sticker protocol from the clinical screen, please refer to the Add a Smart Sticker Protocol to a Patient user manual linked in this video's description. Now, we will go over the second option, which will occur on the script screen. From the clinical case screen, click on the Forms Library drop-down menu and select the script option from the list. The script screen will now open. For details on how the script screen works, refer to the Basic Script Features user manual linked in this video's description. Enter the ICD-10 code into the diagnosis field. If the ICD-10 code is part of the PMB Smart Sticker workflow, the patient is automatically added. Otherwise, a notification appears, prompting manual addition. Please note that only the selected ICD-10 codes trigger patient registration in the protocol. For additional information on smart sticker protocols on the script, kindly refer to the How to Add Smart Stickers to a Patient using the script user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we will look at the third option, which is from the patient file screen. For more information regarding the patient file screen, please refer to the patient file screen, navigation and use user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the sticker button on the patient file sidebar. The Smart Sticker Protocol screen will open. From here, you can select the PMB option and follow the process as previously shown. After the protocol was enabled, the smart sticker will be linked to the patient and displayed on the diary sidebar. Lastly, we will go over the fourth option, which is from the Invoice screen. For more information regarding the Invoice screen, please refer to the Invoice screen user manual linked in this video's description. Enter an ICD-10 code that is linked with a previously enabled smart sticker protocol into the diagnosis field. If the ICD-10 code has been included in the PMB Smart Sticker workflow, the patient will be automatically enrolled in the Smart Sticker protocol. If they have not been added yet, a notification appears, prompting manual addition. From here, you can select the PMB option and follow the process as previously shown.